Hey, it's Gabriel Brown here again with another credit tip for today. Today I want to talk about a new scoring model that FICO launched not too long ago, and it's called the FICO Resilience Index Score. Again, it's the FICO Resilience Index Score. Okay, now this scoring model goes from 1 to 99. Okay, and what it's supposed to suggest or give insight to lenders is on the consumer, how they will respond in financially tough times if they will pay or pay as agreed on their accounts. If they will pay or pay as agreed on their accounts. Now, the reason why I say if they'll pay is if they'll pay at all or let the account go in default or pay as agreed. Okay. Now, this FICO Resilience Index Score dials in a little bit more on the credit utilization. Now, the current FICO models that are out in the industry now also look at credit utilization, but for some reason, the FICO Resilience Index Score will dial in on it a little bit more. Okay. Now, what the utilization rule is for the industry is you should stay 30%, under 30% of your credit limit. Let me say that again. You should not go over 30% of your credit limit. So let's say you have a credit card for $1,000, right? 30% of that limit is $300. To stay within the credit utilization rule, you should stay under $300 when you're using that card. Okay. Now, if you stay there, according to the FICO Resilience Index Score, you will typically have a low score because this score goes the opposite way. The lower the score, the better, not the higher the score like your FICO credit score in general, not the FICO Resilience Index Score. The lower is the better. Okay. So now let's say that the banker reviews your FICO Resilience Index Score and it's really high. That would suggest to them that in tough times, okay, where there's some financial struggles, you may not pay your bill altogether, or you may not repay your debt altogether, or you may pay slow and not pay as agreed. Okay. Now, I suggest you keep your credit utilization even lower than 30%. I would like to see you keep it down to 10%. Okay. 10%. All right. So if your credit card limit is $1,000, keep your credit utilization under $100. Okay. Now, there's another rule that I would like for you to take advantage of too, called the credit capacity rule. This will even get you in better shape when lenders look at your credit report. And the credit capacity rule says you should only use 30% of the total number of credit cards you have. So if you have 10 credit cards, you want to only use 3. Okay, so the credit capacity rule is 30% of the total number of cards you have, and the credit utilization rule is 30% of the actual limit. I suggest utilization, you stay under 10%, and I suggest the credit capacity, you 10% as well. So if you have 10 cards under the credit utilization, you want to keep each card, the actual usage, under 10%. And only use one of the 10 cards to effectively utilize both the credit utilization and credit capacity rule. Now, if you like these tips and you want more insight about credit tips, the FICO Resilience Index Score, I'm going to be posting more videos about it. And down below, there are some links to some other credit tips that I've already recorded for you. Like this video, share this video, leave comments at the bottom. I'll do my best to answer as many comments as I can. And I look forward to providing more credit tips to you in the near future. So follow me.